Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you the benefits of having a mobile website for businesses. Mobile phones have drastically improved over time. Apart from the call and text features, these may now be used on searching the internet. Certainly, it's the new platform of connectivity. Your business will protect its revenue if you will have a mobile website, apart from the full website which is accessible for computer.
How about for search engine purposes?
Search engines have a special search area for mobile users and they consider mobile websites on top of the result.
It sounds great. Where can we learn more about mobile website?
You can visit www.wiseguyapps.com or call 347-709-2008 for more information.
Great. Thank you for educating us.